In this video, we'll see the canvas control, which allows us to achieve something interesting that can be done in mobile applications. That is, to display data in overlapping layers in order to create content-rich interfaces. Let's start from what we had to view customer data. For example, suppose we want the flag of each customer to appear below their photo. To place data in different layers, we have the canvas control. To use it, first we save the panel as View Customers with Flag, delete the grid controls, and drag a canvas control. We set its height property to 200 dips and leave the rest of the default values. In the canvas, we place the country flag attribute, and in its properties, we see that now there's a section called Absolute Position. We set Z order to 1. Only the controls that are directly on the canvas have this property to indicate the layer in which they'll be positioned. The higher the Z order number, the higher its layer will be. Note that in addition to this property, there are others that allow us to place the controls inside the canvas in absolute position. For the flag, we're going to set top to 30, left to 0, width to 160 dips, and height to 100. Later on, we'll adjust these values using live editing to see the final result in the emulator. Then we drag a table control to the canvas and set Z order to 2. In this way, we're placing the table in a layer above the flag, so that the flag will be the background. We assign initial values to the properties, setting top to 10 dips and left to 30 dips. Now we add all the customer data we had before: the customer photo, customer name, customer email, country name, and customer address attributes. And we adjust their positions. We add a column to the left to improve the appearance of the flag that will be displayed below. In the column style property, we set the values 5 dips, 90 dips, 30 dips, and 100%. We leave the rows with PD. Then we select all the data fields and set horizontal alignment to left and vertical alignment to bottom. In addition, in the customer address, we set call span to 4 in country name, we set the class attribute bold, and in customer photo, the class image round, and row span to 2, positioning it to take up the second and third row. Now we have to run the application to see how it looks to start adjusting its appearance. We open the main menu and drag the panel View Customers with Flag to its Items section. In the properties of the created action, we assign the image property with the image Customers with Flag, and we press F5. Note that the image of the flag is a bit off, so we set its top to 45 and its height to 105 dips. We can see the changes immediately with the help of live editing, which allows us to adjust everything until it looks good. We save. The customers are displayed with the background we wanted, which will be adjusted for each customer depending on their country. Finally, we check that the filters work correctly. In this video, we saw how to layer data to achieve a more sophisticated presentation. In the following videos, we'll see more advanced controls that'll allow us to achieve an attractive and friendly user interface.